I got some donuts, I'm gonna eat them. I love Krispy Kremes, they are delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. What's up, it's Skippy-Simon. I am high and hungry, and I'm going to eat these here Krispy Kremes. I went to Krispy Kreme because they gave me a free dozen donuts for my birthday, which I may or may not have had. I won't say anything. It's none of your damn business when my birthday is. It's not even... Actually, who cares? It's 1 out of 365 days. And I like it. And I signed up for all these free birthday meals and Krispy Kreme on their app. They give you a free dozen donuts. And I decided to buy 3 of my favorites. And here they are. I'm the dozen donuts that I got from Krispy Kreme, I'm not going to eat all that by myself. I'm going to give it, they're in my fridge, I'm going to give it to the lovely people who work at the El Pollo Loco in my neighborhood because they are always so damn fucking kind to me and I love them for it. And so kindness is reciprocal. It's a beautiful thing. So they treat me awesome. I treat them to some Krispy Kremes. And I can't eat a dozen by myself as much as I love to try. I'm already a fat, portly bastard. So I can't eat a dozen. And I gave, last year I gave them to my neighbors, and they thanked me. But this year I'm going to give it to the people, because you know what? People don't appreciate the people who make them food. You know, it's sad. I see all these damn Karen meltdown videos of all these people like, where's my hamburger? It has pickles on it. Here, listen, okay? Respect those people making your food. Why, you say? Because they are doing something that your lazy ass couldn't fucking do, which is feed you, you lazy piece of shit. You're at the damn fast food restaurant for the same reason I am, because you're lazy and you're hungry and you don't want to clean up dishes. I fucking hate doing that. But I respect those wonderful people who work in fast food, because I did it in my teenage years. I worked as a coffee shop manager in my 20s, and so I respect people behind the counter, and that's why I'm giving them, wonderful people at my El Pollo Loco, they're getting my birthday donuts, because they're just great people. They deserve great donuts. These are great donuts. Everyone's like, oh, there's a lot. Why do you like Krispy Kreme so much? I'm like, because they're to me, they're fucking gold standard for a corporate donut. I realize we have all these specialty donut shops, especially here in Los Angeles. This is the home, the donut capital of the world. And I'll tell you what, man. When I was there, okay, if you go between the hours of 5 and 7 in the morning or at night, that's when they got the donut robot going. The thing that's over there shitting out dough into a proofer, and then it dumps the raised donuts into an oil bath, and then it cooks them down a river of hot oil and flips them. And then after they're done, they come out onto a conveyor where they go underneath this icing waterfall. And if you're there between 5 and 7, you get a fresh, hot, melty, incredibly stupendous donut straight off of the conveyor belt. It's so fucking good. Oh my god. You don't even understand. Yeah, whatever. That was acting, by the way. But yeah, it's fucking great. And I love, oh god, that thing melted in my mouth. melted. Like that hot and fresh. So, like, not even a minute and a half outside of the oil. Oh, so great. I love you, Krispy Kreme. I don't like corporate America, but I love Krispy Kreme. And there was a line, big line, man. A lot of people wanting donuts. Donuts are money, bro. Look at those sexy bitches. Yeah. These are my 3 favorites. Oh my God, they smell so good. That maple ring right there. Oh my God. Like Krispy Kreme, you're just attacking my olfactory senses so powerfully right now, and thank you. Oh, but these are my 3 favorites. The maple ring right here. And then that's the sour cream iced or sour cream iced. It's a sour cream donut. And then that's the chocolate iced cream filled with the white cream, not the Boston cream. These are my 3 favorites. And in no particular order, I'm just going to have one. That maple is just so pungent and wonderful. It's so fantastic. But I'm going to keep you around just because of your smell. I need you. Oh, I need you every... I'm going to take out the sour ice cream cake. And we are just going to enjoy the fuck out of this because I'm stoned as piss. And I just had a chicken sandwich and now I'm having some donuts. It's like in Black Dynamite. Roscoe's Chicken and Donuts. Mm. 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 What's neat is this is a cake donut. It's not a raised donut. No. Some of you were like, cake donut? Raised donut? What are you speaking of? Well, just so you know, a cake donut is made with batter. Whereas a raised donut is made with dough. A raised donut has yeast and has to go through a proofing phase. In order for the donut to get its airy composition. These go through a proofing mechanism where it keeps them at a certain humidity and temperature. I'm not sure if their system speeds up the proofing process or not. I don't know. But I will say this, I am completely fascinated by it. But I like raised donuts more than I like cake donuts, but if it's a sour ice cream cake, I give a fuck, bro. Mmm. Mmm. Damn, that's good. Right. I was sitting right over there. I was sitting right over there. I was stoned out of my mind. And then something went in my head, was like, dude, you got your 3 favorite donuts in the damn fridge. What's stopping you, fat boy? And the only thing that was stopping me was me. You know? So a lot of people don't seem to realize that in life, the biggest problem you're ever going to have is yourself. You are going to be the most troublesome person for you ever. You know, your bad decisions are going to come back on you and haunt you for the rest of your life. So do yourself a favor. Try to make some better decisions now, in hopes that your future will get better. And also, don't forget to wear Innocent Black Men cologne. It's my sponsor. If you want to smell like freedom, if you want to smell like innocence, this is the way to do it. Get yourself some Innocent Black Men cologne. I think they're going to start selling it at Krispy Kreme soon, but I've been wrong before, so I don't know. But anyway, oh, that was so good. Sour ice cream cake. My top 3: maple ice ring, chocolate ice cream filled in that delicious ass sour ice cream cake. Is that a sour cream ice cake? Ice cake, sour, I don't know. Sour cake ice cream? See, sour ice cream cake? Sour ice cream cake? Sour cream ice cake? Iced sour cream cake. I think that's what it is. Iced sour cream cake. I don't know. Know what it was? Fucking delicious. That's what it was. I enjoyed it. Alright. Remember, download the Krispy Kreme app. Put in your birthday. You get a free dozen. You can give them to your friends. Or eat them all yourself. You glutton. Whatever makes you happy. It's your birthday. Do what you gotta do. Alright. You stay awesome. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Excuse me.